we need to remove. There is a 2 bolt in the top. See, new shock absorber, top 2 nut lined up. I'm going to welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I'm going to show you, this is Mazda 3, how to change rear shock absorber. It's very easy. If you have a right tool, follow this video. End of the day, you can do your own. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go to the job. First thing first, need to jack up the car. Jacking point straight underneath here. I'm going to jack up a little bit more higher. I need a room underneath working. I'm going to leave axle stand underneath for the additional support. After that, need to remove tire, 21 mil. Yeah, you can see tire stuck. Now it's out. Right. Now we have access to the shock absorber. After that, we need to remove behind the shock absorber in the bottom. There is a 17 mil nut and bolt. We need to remove that one. Right, you can see it's out. After that, give little bit pressure towards upward. Right, after that we need to remove. There is a 2 bolt in the top. Right, you can see as it is, there is a one this side and one other side, all 12 mil. I'm using long 12 mil socket and extension. Right, it's doped. This is the one out, little bit rust and corroded, that's why hard to remove it. I'm going to the next one. Right, other one out. I'm going to lift up shock absorber from the bottom, give the pressure towards upward. See, it's going up. After that, we can remove shock absorber. Right, now shock absorber out. This is the new shock absorber, Napa brand. If you need part number NSA 1074, come with the top holding cardboard unit. Nice packing, and also with the bubble wrap. If something happen while it's delivering, socket shower going to be safe. Right, I'm going to leave it that one as it is. Next step, I need to remove this 13 mil nut there. Inside spinning, what I have to do, I have to use spanner and hold the edge with this flyer. If you want, you can using like this proper tool for this job. I'll I'll put the link in the description. However, I'm going to use it this lock flyer and 13 mil spanner. It's loose now. I will try from the gun, saving bit time. Still it's spinning. Right. It's out. And after that you can lift up this whole unit like this. There is an inside cap also. I'm going to leave it everything. When you press, it's need to come up, but you can see as it is, it's stuck. This shock absorber not good. Right, after that I'm going to remove this clamp. Right, you can see new shock absorber, very good. Remove this clamp here. Not inside stuck. Give the more step here. Right, this nut stuck inside this cap. Now it's okay. After that, very easy. Compare new one and old one. Height, size, check the height, all identically good. I'm going to reinstall. Install this cap first. After that, install this unit. Right, install new nut. That one also spinning. I had to do same thing. Look that edge. Right, nice and tight. I am happy. Now I am ready to install. After that, I am going to apply little bit grease to make it easy, and there is a two top stud. Right, done. After that, I'm going to install the shock absorber to the stud. Need to press the shock absorber. Right, now top two nut lined up. I'm going to install this nut. Just do by fingers. Couple of thread do by finger. Right, after that I'm going to use my impact gun. Right, nice and tight. Next step, going to install bottom stud. Need to line up shock absorber through the hole. Install the stud. First couple of thread do with the hand. Use the gun. Right, nice and tight. After that, next step, install the tire. Nice and tight. Once you tight the lock nut, leave it in a safer place. Don't going to mix up. After that, going to remove the axle stand. And lower the jack. You know now how to change this person. Hopefully you can get new thing from me. If you have any question, comments, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get my new videos. Also, don't forget to share this video. See you with the next video.